Okay, tell me about your hair.
Um, I don't know what to do with it.
Okay.
I struggle with it always being dry. It's always tangled. It just feels like it's always matting. There's no shape. Um, I just, I just don't like it. I don't like that it's not defined curls. It just kind of does this all the time and not actually coiling up.
Yeah.
And I've tried lots of products, and I don't know if it's the products I'm using or the
Yeah.
technique, but it's just not working.
Yeah. What products are you using?
For shampoo and conditioner, I use Shea Moisture and African Pride. I
That
want,
is definitely what's making your hair dry.
okay, that makes sense.
How often do you wash it?
Once every 2 to 3 weeks, maybe
Okay.
once a month sometimes.
Okay.
I've never known how to control my hair ever. I've
Okay.
always either relaxed it or had it really, really short,
Yeah.
and it grows really, really fast.
Yeah.
And I don't know what to do with it.
What are your goals?
I health. I'm
Okay.
not scared to cut hair. Like
Okay.
I've just shaved my hair before,
Okay.
like 3 times. Want to have more defined curls, and I want it to feel manageable.
Is your goal length
I would love for it to get longer, but it's
or is it
not.
shape? Because the video that you referred to in our
Was
messages
shape.
was a taper.
I
Yeah.
do like the
Which
taper
is
look.
cute. But like
I brought a picture.
I like that. That's what
Yeah.
we're gonna do today.
Okay.
And you like bangs?
Yes, because I don't like my forehead.
Again, like this much.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean I wanna preserve your length.
I rather.
But I like that shape. I want to
Yeah.
give you a bang,
Okay.
and then I'm just gonna make everything even
Okay.
and round.
Love that.
Me too.
Okay.
I'm happy that you're not attached to your link.
No, I don't care.
Stop it. No. Oh my gosh. I know. Stop.
Feeling it. Yeah, girl.
Oh
Yeah.
stop.
That's crazy.
I know. Like where we came from, back from.